Hey guys, this is Brian at Black Star Reptiles. Tonight we are going to do an egg cutting on my third clutch. The female snake is a yellow belly. The male snake is a Mojave het Monsoon. So we're trying to build up my Monsoon project. So we're gonna cut these eggs open. She originally laid 6 eggs, and one of them went bad pretty early on, and so I pulled it because it started molding and I didn't want it to get on the other eggs, but it was obviously not good. So we're gonna go ahead and I'll set those there. In fact, I'm gonna pull them out so you guys can see them, and then as I do them, I'll drop them back in there. Can you see them? Okay, so which one should we start with? Let's start with this one. Oh, I can feel it moving inside. It's ready to come. So I'm gonna try to get some of the bloodlines moved away. We're hoping for yellow belly, Mojave, het Monsoon is what we're really looking for. Looks like the first snake's definitely Mojave. So we got Mojave. It looks like, not sure if it's yellow belly. It looks like just Mojave, but when it comes out, we'll be able to tell yellow belly a little bit better. But it's definitely Mojave. So we won't be able to tell the het Monsoon unless I do a genetic test. This one? Definitely Mojave though. It's pretty fun. This is my favorite part of seeing what we get in the snakes. This is the most glamorous clutch, but it's a really important clutch to my Monsoon stuff. Oh, looks like we got another Monsoon. Open it up a little bit further. See if we can see his head. Oh, there's his head. So we got, I'm pretty sure that's a yellow belly. That's quite a bit brighter than that other one. You can't see its nose, but it looks, see how it's got pretty yellow around the edges. He's a lot lighter. Usually Monsoon is darker on the top. Or Mojave, I mean, is darker on the top. So definitely maybe a yellow belly. Little lighter than the last one. It's good. We have a possibility of getting normal snakes in here. So if we get a gene or two in every single one of them, that's a good thing. It's really hard to find homes for normals. And just as I say that, I think we got our, oh, it's a yellow belly, so that's good. So there's a yellow belly, not a Mojave. Actually does look a little bit, maybe that's the yellow belly Mojave, what it looks like. It's a little bit speckly edges. Looks like it doesn't really look like it's got a normal pattern either. So that might be the yellow belly Mojave. Those two right there would be the Mojave if that's the case. Let's put this back in. Clean up real fast before we go on to the next one. Get a new napkin. Get a new cutting surface. Alright, let's go to egg number 4. It's pretty good. Three gene snakes, and one of them might be the double we're looking for. We're looking for a female yellow belly Mojave, het Monsoon. So if I get the yellow belly Mojave, then we'll genetic test her and see what we got. See that right there is a normal.
That there's a normal, maybe a yellow belly. It's got some little speckling along the edges, but got the alien pattern. You can see the alien pattern in there. So she's definitely got the normal pattern, but sometimes yellow bellies, I mean, yellow bellies usually have the normal pattern. They're just yellower, have some spots in them. So let's see what we get in number 5, the final one. This is going to be kind of exciting. Hopefully we hit it. I'm not sure. I'll have to look at those when they come out and shed to be positive, but chances are hitting this for 25%, and then we have a 50% chance when we actually do the monsoon test, because the monsoon is 50%. Every one of these babies has a 50% chance of carrying on the monsoon gene. That there is definitely a normal. Normal, no yellow belly. So that's what a normal looks like. Straight up, alien heads, no granity look on the bottom. It's really clear. There's no speckles on the belly. So that there is just as normal as they come. So I'm imagining, I think we got 1 normal for sure. We got 2 Mojaves. One of them might be a yellow belly Mojave. I think this one's a lot brighter than the other ones. These both look like yellow bellies. So pretty good odds. We got 1 normal, which is about the odds, 1 in 4. So we got a little under the odds, which is good because we want genes in our snakes. So anyway, pretty exciting. We'll get these put back in the incubator so they can stay warm, and clean them up a little bit, and then we'll show you an update when they come out and they're after their first sheds, and after I feed them, we'll get a good update so everybody can see the different patterns. Anyway, like, subscribe. We'll talk to you later.